Hey guys, good morning. Coming to check on Anime and the kittens. Y'all wouldn't believe I came out here this morning. The sun hadn't even come up yet, and Blueford was out here. Okay, he's still in his pen. I walked him back over to his pen. I don't know, you can kind of see through the trees. He's in his pen. He's pacing back and forth. But I haven't seen Anime. So I was last night I was thinking, oh, I can't believe I let her take the kitten. Ants are gonna get the kitten. And then I was like haunted by that. Like just thinking ants are gonna be attacking the kitten because he's got an open sore. I don't see her. Oh my goodness. This is quite the experience. And let me show y'all this, completely unrelated, but in the midst of everything yesterday, one of the dogs got a hold of my boots. My Ariat boots, yeah. Do you think that can be repaired? After I turned 40, 46 now, I really struggle with my feet hurting. And I used to wear high heels to work. And I can't really wear heels anymore. It's just like the soles of my feet just hurt, really just ache. And I do stand a lot at work and I do walk a lot at work. So, I mean, it makes sense that, you know, as you get older, I guess those muscles in your feet or whatever. So I invested in Ariat boots. I have a couple pair because I'm a cowgirl. I'm a farm girl. And they're really comfortable. I can walk all day in them. Now, if I don't wear the right socks, I'm gonna be miserable. So I did figure that out pretty early on, especially when you're still breaking them in. But you know, if I have those really thin socks, like boot socks, with these anyway, with this pair, with the right socks, it's really doable. Okay, that's Uncle Twin out here because I figured she might come from here. Hi, Uncle Twin. Where your baby mama? Another thing, as we're standing here waiting for Anime, y'all hear that bird in the background? Listen. When we first moved here 5 years ago, and I would be out here working in the yard, and I hear that bird, I was waiting for the bird to make the noise so I could tell you what I hear when I hear that bird chirping. I'm gonna walk over here to the garden. I got like a pimple or bite or something, I don't know. It's a bunch of stuff blooming. Yay! My cascade roses are blooming. These are the first cascade roses for the season. This is a climbing rose, and I wanted to climb all over this trellis. Got quite a few roses that are blooming. This is the Tiffany rose. It's just a tea rose. She's not a climber, but she's a Tiffany rose. Where's that bird? We need you, we need you. We need you, we need you. That's what I hear. I mean, for years, that's what I hear when I hear that bird chirping. see what's blooming in the hot mess garden. Oh, look at this little cluster of Tiffany roses. So beautiful. Of course, the dianthus. And then look, I've got some more yellow roses that have bloomed. It's so pretty. Looks like there was one here, but it has come and gone. Look, the lilies. Wow, they're all blushing. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. That looks like a painting. These are Asiatic lilies. These are rain lilies. The tall stalks, these are day lilies. They'll be like a yellowish orange color. And then this is an Easter lily. It's already bloomed this year. I'm not sure if it's gonna bloom again. And then the echinacea is opening up. This is echinacea too. Look at fat bellies. Hey, looking at the squirrels in the trees. Uncle Twin, you see them squirrels? And look, the magnolias are opening up too. Very nice. Look, Joseph's coat's got some blooms. They'll be opening up in the next couple days. Y'all are so disrespectful. Get out of my garden bed. Get out of my garden. Another dianthus. Alright, I don't see Anime. So we're gonna say that's a good thing. She's taking care of her babies. I'm really composing Uncle Twin in there, but he know how to get out. They all know how to get in and out. I was saying I'm concerned with the injured kitten with the open wound. I was so tired last night. I'm tired right now too, but I wasn't able. I should have considered the fact that kitten might be attracting bugs because of his open wound. I am a believing woman. What is that? It's like a little baby vole. I was saying, I'm a believing woman. I have faith in Most High God, the creator of the heavens and the earth. I do believe that humans are here as part of that creation to steward the earth. And, you know, part of that stewarding is there's such a delicate balance between where we intervene and where you just have to let nature be nature. My cats are outside cats. Like I said, many cats have been born on this homestead. Blueford has been here since the beginning. He's never done this to one of the kittens. And I have found myself really at a loss this past day, since yesterday. It's just so hard to know where to intervene in that balance. I'm struggling, and I am being very vulnerable right now. Here is Anime. Hi, Anime. Hi. Where Where's your babies? They in safekeeping? He's getting some water. I'm just gonna sit here for a second. I just got a phone call from the post office. My chicks that were supposed to arrive tomorrow are there. Now, I was supposed to go out to work today, but I can't go out to work today because the dog ate my shoes.